The global IoT market is projected to reach over $1 trillion by 2026, driven by over 1.8 billion connected devices and an industry growth rate of 17.5%. This expansion is powered by major advances in connectivity, especially 5G and space-based IoT using low Earth orbit satellites, which together enable real-time decision-making across healthcare, logistics, and manufacturing, even in remote regions. IoT connectivity has evolved from early wired machine-to-machine communication to today's wireless internet-based ecosystems. 2026 is positioned as a turning point as 5G standalone expands, hybrid connectivity models mature, and the new IoT eSIM standard SGP32 simplifies global device management. These technologies collectively improve performance, reduce operational complexity, and increase reliability. 5G's biggest impact is ultra-low latency and high bandwidth, supporting dense device deployments and time-sensitive applications. 5G Advanced strengthens this further with ultra-reliable communication and innovations like RedCap for lower-cost IoT modules. Meanwhile, low Earth orbit satellite constellations extend coverage to the majority of the Earth, where terrestrial networks do not reach, enabling tracking and monitoring across oceans, rural agriculture, and conservation zones. Edge computing adds another layer by processing data locally to cut latency and bandwidth use, supporting mission-critical systems. As IoT scales, security, compliance, and sustainability become central, with AI, encryption, and low-power networks helping organizations deploy connected solutions responsibly. Companies like Trafalgar Wireless help businesses navigate these connectivity choices and operational demands. Read the full article and learn how Trafalgar Wireless can support your IoT strategy at trafalgarwireless.com.